Today, we will show you the amazing capabilities of the top AI text-animated video generator. We'll guide you through the process, making it simple for anyone to turn their text into engaging animated videos using advanced AI technology. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll learn how to use AI to create impressive animated content step by step. So let's get started. Let's kick things off with step 1, crafting the narrative. Every AI influencer needs a compelling story to engage their audience. But what if you could generate a unique story script effortlessly? Well, you can thanks to the wonders of AI. Head over to chat.openai.com where you'll find ChatGPT, a powerful tool. To kickstart your story script, simply type, "Write a short kid story about a lion and a young boy in about 200 words," and click here. In a matter of moments, you'll have the foundation of your story ready to be transformed into captivating content. It's like having your very own digital storyteller, helping you craft narratives that resonate with your audience. With ChatGPT, you can unleash your creativity and give life to your AI influencer story. Now let's move on to step 2, bringing the story to life. It's time to take your narrative and turn it into a visual and auditory masterpiece. To achieve this, we're going to generate AI images and a voiceover for your story. But how? Through the magic of prompts and AI tools. Here's how it's done. First, set the stage with prompts that guide the AI in creating images that align with your story. The result? Stunning visuals that complement your narrative. Next, use prompts to instruct the AI on the tone and style you desire for your story's narration. You'll be amazed at how AI can breathe life into your words, making your AI influencer's storytelling experience truly immersive. Repeat these steps as needed, ensuring that your visuals and voiceover perfectly capture the essence of your narrative. With AI as your creative ally, you'll have a dynamic and engaging story ready to captivate your audience. Now let's kick things off with step 3, crafting beautiful AI images. Visuals are everything in the world of AI influencers, and we've got some nifty tools up our sleeves. Ever heard of Blue Willow or Leonardo AI? These are your magic wands for generating stunning AI images that are sure to captivate your audience. It's a breeze. Simply copy and paste prompts into these tools and watch as they conjure up beautiful, hyper-realistic images. But we're taking it up a notch by transforming these images into animated videos. But how? With the help of the Runway.ml amazing text-to-video feature. This powerful tool allows you to bring your AI influencer's visual content to life. Imagine the possibilities. Your AI Instagram model can now boast a dynamic visual presence that's bound to turn heads and spark curiosity. It's a game changer in the world of content creation. Now let's dive into step 4, crafting high-quality animated videos. We've got the stunning AI images, and now it's time to turn them into captivating animated videos that tell a story. We're going to use the image-to-video option, a fantastic feature that allows you to upload your own image and magically transform it into a high-quality animated video. This is where your AI influencer truly comes to life. Repeat the process for all your images to ensure you get the best possible results. Consistency is key when crafting a digital personality that stands out in the crowded online landscape. What's the outcome? A collection of high-quality animated videos that showcase your AI influencer's personality and style. It's a visual feast that's ready to take the digital world by storm. Now let's move on to step 5, crafting a compelling story video. You know what they say, a good story is the heart of engaging content. So here's how we do it. We're going to combine and edit videos, voiceovers, and background music using the fantastic CapCut app. This powerful tool allows you to create a storied video with seamless transitions, eye-catching effects, and clear subtitles. Now, to make things even more exciting, we're going to use a heartwarming story as an example. Picture this: a curious boy named Kai who befriends a lost lion cub and, against all odds, reunites it with its parent. The bond they form is simply heartwarming and perfect for illustrating the potential of AI influencers. With CapCut, you can bring this story to life, adding the perfect visual elements, voiceovers, and music to create a captivating narrative. It's all about storytelling at its finest. Now that we've crafted a mesmerizing story video, it's time to move on to step 6, sharing and monetizing your content. Your AI influencer is ready to shine, and it's time to share it with the world. First, export the video from CapCut, then download it to your PC. These steps ensure you have a high-quality video ready to dazzle your audience. Next, it's time to share your creation on YouTube. Upload your video and the world becomes your stage. But wait, there's more. You can monetize your channel with Google Ads, turning your passion for AI influencers into a valuable venture. Monetization is like turning your valuable videos and AI influencer content into money-making opportunities that benefit both you and your audience in the long term. It's a fantastic situation where you not only create engaging content, but also have the potential to earn money from your creative efforts. In today's digital world where content is highly valuable, creating top-notch videos and establishing yourself as an AI influencer takes a lot of time and hard work. Monetization is the strategy that allows content creators to make money from their efforts, so all the time and energy they invest in their content creation pays off. Whether you make vlogs, tutorials, or share your expertise on a specific topic, monetization ensures that your dedication is rewarded financially. Monetization can take various forms. It can include things like showing ads in your videos, partnering with companies to promote their products, earning commissions through affiliate marketing, or getting paid for collaborations with brands. By smartly using these income sources, creators can make a steady income while keeping their content genuine and maintaining their audience's trust. Moreover, monetization brings stability and a long-lasting aspect to your creative work. It allows you to buy better equipment, get help from others, or even explore new content ideas you might not have been able to try before due to budget limitations. This constant growth ensures that your influence and reach continue to grow over time. For your audience, monetization has benefits too. It often means creators can invest more time and resources in creating higher quality content, improving the overall viewing experience. Additionally, it enables creators to come up with new and exciting content ideas that were previously limited by budget constraints. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting your journey in the world of AI influencers, these steps give you the tools to create content that not only looks fantastic, but also delivers a heartfelt message. Now go forth and craft AI influencers that inspire, entertain, and engage. The digital stage is yours and the possibilities are boundless. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our AI adventures. Until next time, keep embracing the future, and remember, the AI revolution is yours to conquer.